Help section where usage instructions are given. Here are your current goals. Use various filters to find out your previously set goals. SMART goals mean specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Let us see how to add new goals. You need goal name, status, start date, and days needed. Once you achieve your goal, add end date and update status. Total days taken from you along with difference between your estimated days and actual days will be calculated automatically. Filter your goals by status, dates, etc. You can also see all your goals by year based on your end date added for all achieved and failed goals. Current goals will not be visible here. Finally, goals by status where all your goals are displayed under status name. Use date filters to find out a specific goal. If you like to get this SMART Goals tracker and other free and premium Notion templates, then use the link in the description. Thank you.